Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to use ChatGPT to create a complete YouTube video. Do you want to use ChatGPT to create a YouTube video from start to finish? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so open any browser in your PC, Mac, or laptop and go to ChatGPT's website, which is chat.openai.com. If you haven't registered yet, it's very straightforward. Very fastest way is to use your Google account to register to OpenAI, and then afterwards you can freely use ChatGPT pretty much as you want. So, like the first step in creating a YouTube video, if you want to create a YouTube video using ChatGPT, the very first thing is pick a niche, right? For example, you want to make a video about dogs. So, let's type act as a YouTube SEO expert and give me 10 good video ideas about dogs, right? So ChatGPT is going to give you 10 ideas on videos that you can make about dogs, right? So here we go. 10 reasons why dogs make the best pets. This video, it even gives you a description of why this is a good video. Cover the many benefits of owning a dog, from their loyalty and companionship to their health benefits. How to train your dog to sit, stay, and come. This is dog training. Day in the life of a service dog. This is pretty good. A video about service dogs, like daily habits. Best dog breeds for families with kids. That's another one. This is a top 10 video. The most expensive dog breeds in the world. This is okay. Let's go with this. So you get 10, and these are really good. How to travel with your dog, the funniest dog videos in the internet, 10 foods you should never feed your dog, DIY dog toys and treats, how to choose the right dog for your lifestyle. So ChatGPT prompts 10 options that I asked, and they even it even gave us a description of what type of video it's going to be. So let's choose number 5, the most expensive dog breeds in the world, right? So the next thing we need to do is, let's copy this and type here act as a YouTube script writer, and let's prompt it this way. This is an easy way to prompt ChatGPT, and make an engaging intro for a YouTube video titled, and then let's paste a title, right? And there you go. It's already giving you like even the prompts of what you need to do for the video, the voiceover. There you go. There you go. This is pretty much your opening. This is your intro, right? With the script for the voiceovers and the cuts, right? Now, an easy way to do this before we start actually using the meat, which is the script for the main body of the video, is like, now add an accompanying outro. And it's gonna make an outro. You have an intro, you have an outro, we have the topic. So this is an easy way. This is a really fast way to make sure that this has already been done. And there you go, you have the outro. Now for the body, let's just type explain in a creative and in-depth manner what are the 10 most expensive dogs in the world, right? So it's gonna, there you go. It's going to list down the 10 most expensive dog breeds in the world, right? There you go. Number 1, Tibetan Mastiff, Samoyed, Rottweiler, Pharaoh Hound, Akita, Chow Chow, English Bulldog, Cavalier King, Charles Spaniel, Afghan Hound, and the number 10 is Lochen. All right. So as you can see, it also has an overall. This is like an outro kind of thing, but since we've already made the outro, we're not gonna use this. So as you can see, these are like, now I feel like this short of an explanation per uh, entry per dog breed is quite short. So this video might only be, say, 3 minutes long. So what we want to do is use another prompt for ChatGPT, which is, can you make each entry longer? So now that you have your YouTube video idea, title, intro, body, and outro, what you're gonna do is give me 10 examples of SEO friendly thumbnails for a YouTube video titled and then let's the most expensive, right? Okay. So that's for the thumbnail. Now here's the thing, let's cut this so that we have it. As you can see, it stopped at number 6 because it is long. ChatGPT tends to do this, so what you need to do is type continue. And it's going to continue, as you can see, right? Number 7, there you go. And sometimes it's like this, ChatGPT right now is slow, as you can see, because usually it's way faster than this, which means a lot of people are using it at the moment. And sometimes it is much more slower than this, so it depends on the time, and sometimes ChatGPT even like goes down for a few minutes. And then let's enter this for the thumbnail. It's going to give you 10 ideas of SEO friendly thumbnails that you can use. There you go. While it's generating the 10, so now that you have a thumbnail, a title, script, a full script, you can do this using any editing software, Adobe Premiere Pro or other free software, and use Canva for thumbnails. So it's pretty easy. So there you have it. That's the complete use of ChatGPT to create an entire YouTube video. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.